Welcome to IDI's video on the benefits of Net and Blow fiberglass. First off, Net and Blow fiberglass is a custom application. It's not just cutting pieces to fit into spaces. It's grade 1. It fills in around everything in the wall. So any obstructions, wires, gaps, it fills everything and it looks beautiful. It has a higher R value up to R16 and a 2x4 wall. There's no settling and it is easy. There's less prep, less cleanup time, and no dry time. Lower startup costs for getting the business going. For one, all you need is your blowing equipment, a pneumatic stapler or hammer tacker. But it's a compact material that requires less room on a truck. For example, these two stacks cover 4,542 feet at R15 and a 2x4 wall. You can also use a gauge or manually check to verify the R value. 40% of framing in construction is odd spaced, so you always have the right material. You only carry one material. It's the same fiberglass blow you use in attics. You want to make sure you clean the job site first. Cut the netting for each individual wall. Start in one corner at the top, secure it all the way across the top, then fasten the middle and work from the middle out towards the edges, pulling the fabric tight. For blowing the wall, you want to close the slide gate down to 50% and reduce it to a 2-inch hose. Some people like to use a wand on the end or something like that, but you can do it with just the hose. You start out by filling the bottom, sweeping side to side. Then you flip the hose up to fill the top of the cavity. Pull the hose back out slowly as the cavity fills, and then check your work with an Inspectar gauge or by weighing a 1 cubic foot sample. Call it blown-in fiberglass walls, call it Net and Blow, but be sure to talk to your customers and builders about upgrading their projects to a better system. By all means, like and share this video, and for more information on Net and Blow fiberglass, reach out to your local IDI rep, come to an IDI training, or visit our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.